Min, jersey number 20. Together with Gerald Pareja, Hasmin is arguably the most mature and experienced player for the Philippine team, having been a member of our Philippine team for the last 14 years. At galing ho, si pitcher Romeo Hasmin sa Adamson University baseball team.
Let's play ball.
Okay, first batter for Singapore is Naim Bin. Okay, that's a strike one. Nice slider by Romeo Hasmin. Called strike. Hasmin sets. And another slider from Romeo Hasmin. Swung and totally missed by Naim Bin of Singapore. So count now is 0-2. And he completes a three-pitch, three-strike for the first out. Struck out batter number one of Singapore. Good start for Romeo Hasmin. That's a nice side pitch riser from Romeo Hasmin, setting up after two slider pitch. Another slider, just catching the bottom inside corner of the plate. We now have 0-1. Batting for Singapore is Oscar Tay. It's right fielder. So that's a bit high, called ball by the umpire. Count now is ball one and strike one. Another side pitch, sidearm pitch delivered by Romeo Hasmin, catching the inside corner. So we now have one ball and two strikes for batter Oscar Tay. Okay, Oscar Tay catching the tip of the ball. Foul ball. Still, the count is 1-2. Okay, nice breaking ball by Romeo Smith for the second out para sa Team Philippines. That was a beautiful breaking ball pitch by Romeo Smith, registering his second strikeout for the day. Batting number 3 for Team Singapore is Ayan Yu, playing shortstop. Okay, another breaking ball, swung at, foul ball, straight to the first baseman of the Philippines for the third out. So it's a good, short top of the first inning for Team Philippines. Romeo Hasmin pitching very steady for the Team Philippines, setting up nice combination of pitches, several slider and change-ups, and then finishing with some riser to set up a two strikeout inning job for Romeo Hasmin. Para naman ho sa Philippine team, sa bottom of the first inning, ang papalo ho sa atin ay jersey number 9, si Efrelin Mercado. So Mercado is also a veteran player coming, of course, from the famous Little League program of Tanawan, Batangas. He played in his collegiate career for the UP Fighting Maroons team, and he has been with the national team for the last 2 years. Si Ian, if I'm not mistaken, used to be a part of our men's national softball team, but switching to his first love, which is baseball, and is now the starting DH for Team Philippines. So pitching for the Singapore national team is Ryota Wong, jersey number 23. Muli po, tayo ay narito sa UP College of Human Kinetics baseball field. We hosted the UAAP in the past years, but right now the UAAP games are held at the Rizal Memorial Baseball Coliseum. So sa lahat ho ng mga sumusubaybay sa atin sa FB Live, magpasalamat ho tayo sa pamunuan ng PABA or the Philippine Amateur Baseball Association for bringing this game live to you via the PABA FB page. Thank you ho, PABA President Sir Boy Tingzon and the Secretary General Mr. Mike Asuncion. Fabulous job. Okay, first pitch swung at and a nice single to left field. So it's a blooper hit by Ian Mercado, successfully putting him on first base. Next batter for Team Philippines is Gerald Pareja playing third base and jersey number 1. Again, one of the most mature players in our team together with Romeo Hasmin. So tignan ho natin kung anong ipapalo ni Gerald with the runner on first. That's a nice dead center strike pitch by Ryota of Singapore. So no balls, strike 1 for Ryota Wong of Singapore. Okay, pick off to first base. Ian Mercado reaching the bag safely first before the tag. Okay, a bit low and outside, called ball by the umpire. Count now is ball 1 and strike 1 for batter Gerald Parejo of Team Philippines. Okay, that's a nice pick-off move to first base, read beautifully by Ian Mercado. Okay, that's another high pitch, so that's ball 2 and strike 1 count for Ryota of Singapore. Runner on first is a bit medyo tempered yung kanyang lead, no? Because you have a left-handed pitcher and it's very deceiving if the pitcher will make a pickoff throw to first base or actually throw to home. So right now, that's another ball by pitcher Ryota Wong. So count now is ball 3 and strike 1. Okay, another ball. So that's a base on ball, putting Gerald Pareja in first base and moving Ian Mercado to second base. So ang susunod doon natin, ang ating third batter, walang iba kung hindi si Lord Aragon de Vera, or commonly known as Agon to his peers. Agon once again hails from Tanawan City, Batangas, and played numerous years for the De La Salle University baseball team. Okay, that's a nice slider pitch by Ryota, catching the outside corner for strike 1. Tignan natin ang palo. Okay, Ryota unchecks but did not make a pick-off throw to any of the bases. Okay, another ball, high and outside. Count now is ball 1, strike 1. So sa lahat ho ng malapit lang sa area, we are actually inviting you to watch and witness the games between Singapore and Philippines here at the UPCHK baseball field. This is just the first of 3 games. So a grounder to first base, caught successfully, fielded by the first baseman and throw to the covering first pitcher from Singapore. So that's a nice fielder's choice. Out to si Agon sa first base, but Agon was successfully able to push the runners both to second and third base. So clearly, magandang scoring opportunity na ho ito sa ating Team Philippines with only 1 out and runners on second and third. So a simple sacrifice fly to the outfield area would definitely score our runners from third and possibly second. But of course, we're always looking for a hit. Ang atin hong number 4 batter, or we call him the cleanup hitter, I see Mark Manaig playing catcher. Manaig, of course, is considered as one of the best hitter of our Philippine team. Kaya nga ho siya ang ating batter number 4 or cleanup hitter. Ibig sabihin ho, kargado lagi pag pumalo. Ay, a short grounder to second base, fielded and thrown to first base for the second out, but successfully scoring Ian Mercado from third to home. So RBI pa rin ho, yung palo ni Manaig, and we now have 1 run scored for Team Philippines. Pareha also advanced from second to third. So we now have 2 outs and batter number 5, John Vargas for Team Philippines. 2 outs and runner on third. So strike 1 for Ryota. Kailangan ho makahit para makapasok tayo ng second run natin in this at-bat. Okay, we now have ball 2. Good block by Singapore catcher, preventing a potential unearned run. So nakascore na ho tayo ng isang run dito sa bottom of the first inning, and another potential run is now on third base. Batter number 5, John Vargas, hitting for Philippines. For all baseball aficionados, please invite all your friends to watch on FB Live the friendlies between Singapore and Philippines, now ongoing here at the UPCHK baseball field. Okay, that's a nice in-between hit between third base and shortstop by batter Vargas, scoring of course pareha from third to home. So 2 runs scored na ho by the Team Philippines ngayong bottom of the first inning. That was a nice infield hit by batter John Vargas. Playing of course now, batting now, number 6 player for Team Philippines, jersey 56 is Ferdinand Liguayan. So 2 outs pa rin po with a runner on first. Ferdy Liguayan, or known to his teammates as Bong, has been with the national team for the last 10 years, and he hails from San Isidro, Valencia, Bukidnon. Sa RTU naman ho, nag-aral itong si Ferdy Liguayan. And that's a grounder hit to the first baseman, fielded cleanly and unassisted put out to first base. So after 2 at-bats, after the Philippine team batted at the bottom of the first inning, we were able to score 2 runs. So 2-0 na ho ang score papunta sa second inning. ABS ang cover. 2-0 first inning.
End of first inning, the score is 2-0 in favor of Team Philippines. Go.
Okay, top of the second inning na po tayo. And it was a easy and very effective
Start of the second inning.
batting for Team Singapore. Jersey number 7 is Odi Tay. He is the left fielder of Team Singapore. So Romeo Hasmin is our starting pitcher for Team Philippines. A very effective slider pitch. Talaga hong hirap na hirap ang Singapore. Matsempuhan yung slider na pitch ni Romeo Hasmin. And switching now to a sidearm delivery riser. So that's a nice fastball dipping the outside corner. It's now 2 strikes for batter Odi Tay of Singapore. Another sidearm pitch delivered by Romeo Hasmin. Swung at and missed for another strikeout. Third strikeout by pitcher Romeo Hasmin. Napakaganda ng combination ng pitches ni Romeo Hasmin. Setting up his signature sidearm pitch after a couple of sliders. Okay, that pitch is a little low and outside. Ball 1 now. Batting now for Team Singapore is Andre Kijia. Okay. Line drive to third base and successfully caught by third baseman Gerald Pareja. Good defense by our third baseman. Very steady on the infield defense. Okay, first pitch swung at and not part of the playing field, foul ball, so it's only foul ball for Team Singapore. Hitting now for Singapore is jersey number 12, Andre Chia, the Singapore's catcher. So ball 1, strike 1 count for batter Andre Chia. Okay, another sneaky sidearm pitch by Romeo Hasmin, completely baffling the batter from Singapore. 0-2 is the count now for Romeo Hasmin. Okay, ball going through the air, caught easily by shortstop of Team Philippines. That's Agon De Vera for the third out. Okay, after 1.5 innings,
Matanggihan on deck, Paule Busito.
Philippines successfully preventing any runners reaching the base. Very steady pitching ang pinapakita sa atin ni Romeo Hasmin. So, ang papalo na ho para sa Philippine team ay si Nigel Paule, first batter. First batter for Team Philippines ay si John Matanggihan, followed by Nigel Paule and then Erwin Busito. Si John Matanggihan ho, or Majimbo as his teammates call him, hails once again from Tanawan City in Batangas and played for the Adamson University Baseball Club throughout his college days. The head coach of the Philippine team is Coach Orlando Binarao, also from the Adamson Baseball Club. And assisting him on the left field side is Coach Joseph Arellana from the De La Salle University Baseball team. So Ryota Wong still pitching for Singapore. Now batting for Team Philippines is John Matanggihan. Once again, salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating exhibition matches between the visitors, Team Singapore versus our Team Philippines para ho dito sa 2-day PABA Goodwill Games, or PABA Friendlies as we call it here at the UPCHK field. First pitch is a ball, high and outside. Okay, that's a good inside pitch by Ryota Wong. So hindi ho nag-swing. Take 1 ang signal ng coach kay John Matanggihan. So ball 1, strike 1 count. Okay, ball swung at straight to second baseman for a routine grounder. Very good fielding by the second baseman and put out to first base for Singapore's first out. And that is jersey number 27 of Team Philippines, John Matanggihan. So batting now for Team Philippines is jersey number 33, our right fielder, si Nigel Paule. Nigel is a proud Kapampangan, and he is one of our rookie in our Philippine team lineup, and he played for the National University baseball team in the UAAP. So magandang opportunity ho itong mga ganitong games para kila Nigel. Although Nigel, of course, is no stranger to international competition as he already represented the Philippines in the last 2024 BFA East Asia Baseball Cup. So count now is ball 1 and strike 1. Okay, that's a bit outside. Good batting eye from the batter. Just letting that ball soar outside. Count now is ball 2 and strike 1. Another pitch going outside. Ball 3 and strike 1. Once again, we acknowledge the officers of the Philippine Amateur Baseball Association, led by its president, Mr. Boy Tingzon, its Secretary General, Mr. Mike Asuncion, its Vice President, Mr. Manny De Castro, and yours truly, the Deputy Secretary General, for bringing these friendlies to all of you baseball fans of the Philippines. So you know, nakahito ng maganda to left field si Nigel Paule. And right now, we have batting for Team Philippines, the center fielder, Erwin Bosito. So that's a really, really nice hit to left field. Line drive hit. Pick off to first base. Batter, runner, Paulo Nigel going back safely to first before the tag of the first baseman. Okay, that's a high grounder to first base, unassisted put out by tagging the batter runner. So ato si Erwin Bosito, but he was able to move up the runner from first to second base. So runner on first, successfully reaching second base on that fielder's choice defensive play. A pick-off throw made to second base. Safe po, nakabalik ang runner natin. Balik po tayo sa top of the batting order. We have player from UP and Tanawan, Efren Mercado, back on the lineup. Okay, that's a nice breaking ball pitch. Okay. Aba, sumusubaybay ho sa ating live broadcast ngayon. Walang iba kundi ang Executive Director ng Philippine Sports Commission, si Attorney Guillermo Pogiboy Iroy. Idi Iroy, magandang umaga ho sa inyo. At salamat sa pagsubaybay sa ating Philippine-Singapore Friendlies baseball match here at the UP Field. So that's a grounder to second base and a routine play. Nice put out by Singapore for its third out. So hindi ho nakascore ang Team Philippines sa bottom of the second inning. Philippines still lead 2-0 after the completion of 2 innings.
The score is 2-0. Batting for Singapore, Aldrich. On deck, Danis and Kohei.
Once again, binabati ho natin ng magandang umaga ang lahat ng mga nakasubaybay sa PABA FB live coverage ng ating friendlies between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. This is the first of 3 goodwill matches sanctioned by the Baseball Federation of Asia. And ito ho ang mga lead-up games ng dalawang teams na ito going to the coming Southeast Asian Games. Pero meron ho tayong Asian Championships sa darating na October in China, where these 2 teams will probably be competing as well. So ito hong mga ganitong friendly exhibition matches ay ginagawa ng mga counterparts natin with different Southeast Asian countries to promote the game really. And as Boy Tingzon, PABA President, mentioned earlier, these are pathways really to improve the level of competition between all the other Southeast Asian game participating countries, no? Kasi alam naman natin kung gaano namamayagpag ang mga bansang Japan at Taiwan at Korea sa larong baseball. Oh, that's a nice line drive hit to third base by batter of Singapore. So that's a successful line drive hit, earning him first base. So, nice line drive hit by Andre Chia. Now hitting for Singapore is Aldrich Chia, jersey number 5. Okay, first swing swangat, and it's a high fly ball. Left fielder chasing it for the first out. That's a beautiful out. And Singapore runner tried to advance. And a good throw made by the left fielder all the way from the foul territory. Out ang runner ng Singapore from first base. Nagtaga po yung runner ng first base to second base. Ngunit napakaganda ng bato ng left fielder, registering the second out for Team Philippines. That's a good heads-up defensive play by Team Philippines. Of course, si John Vargaso ang sumalo noon. Hunabol ng malayo, sinalo, at binato to the stealing base runner to register the second out. Wonderful defensive play from Team Philippines. So now hitting for Team Singapore is jersey number 3, Danis Mohamad. Sorry, still batting is jersey number 2, Andre Chia. Okay, another foul ball for batter number 9, jersey 2, playing right field, Kohei Wong of Singapore. So 2 outs na ho. Okay, nice slider pitch. Nice setup pitch by Romeo Yasmin, registering another strikeout for Team Philippines.
Okay, bottom third, batting pareha, De Vera Manaig.
Okay, we are now at the bottom of the 3rd inning at papaluho muli ang Team Philippines. So ngayon no, we would like to take this opportunity to fully thank the officials of the UP College of Human Kinetics, led by its Dean, Dr. Molly Malyari, for allowing us to use their beautiful facility here at the UPCHK baseball field. And of course, completing the roster of support staff for this friendlies between Team Philippines and Team Singapore is actually the services of our UP men's varsity baseball team. So sila ho ay narito na sa field natin simula kaninang alas 6 ng umaga. Katulong ho sila ng field personnel and technical personnel ng UPCHK to make sure that the field is in proper order and to attend to the needs of both our RP team players and the visiting Singapore national team. So ang UP team mo ay led by its head coach, si Coach Iking Jimenez, together with its assistant coaches, Coach Vladi Eguia, Coach Darwin De La Calzada. Thank you ho sa inyong pakikiisa at suporta sa ating friendlies exhibition matches between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. So we're now bottom of the third inning, batting for Team Philippines is a fielding error by the shortstop. So first batter, that is Gerald Pareja, reaching first safely. Batting now for Team Philippines is Agon De Vera, the shortstop. Mainito yung palo na yon ni Gerald at mahirap i-field. So that can either be a hit or it can be logged as an error by our official scorer. Okay, a breaking ball, just low and outside, called ball by the umpire. Okay, another nice hit in between short and third. Fielded and attempt throw to second base, but gone a little wild. So that was a throwing error from the shortstop of Singapore, advancing the runners from first to third. And yung batter runner ho, si Agon De Vera ay nakarating easily to first base. So ngayon ho ay wala pang out. Papalo na naman para sa Team Philippines si Mark Manaig at may scoring chance ho tayo. Dahil si Gerald ay nasa third base at si Agon ay nasa first base. At wala pa pong out. Okay. First pitch by Ryota Wong. A bit outside, called ball. Okay, that was an attempted swing by our batter, completely missing the ball. So para hong merong missed play. Parang nag-expect na tatakbo ho sana ang runner sa first papuntang second. But anyway, tunghayan ho natin, ball 1, strike 1 pa rin ang count. That's a pick-off throw to first base. Agon reaching first base safely for the pick-off play. So ball 1, strike 1 pa rin, and still a wonderful scoring opportunity for Team Philippines here at the bottom of the third inning. Oh, that's a nice line drive hit over the center fielder by Manaig. First run scored, and Agon De Vera attempting to score, successfully scores. And that throw advanced the batter runner all the way to third base. So napakagandang at-bat ni Mark Manaig, a over the center fielder hit by Manaig, scoring 2 runs for Team Philippines. Nice solid hit in between left and center field by John Manaig. Sinabi naman ho natin kanina na si John ang isa sa pinaka-batikang mamamalo ng ating Philippine baseball team. So sa lahat po ng mga sumasabaybay sa ating Facebook Live, magandang umaga ho sa inyo. At salamat at natutunghayan ho natin ang first of 3 friendly exhibition match between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. So another 2 runs scored by Team Philippines. So ang score na ho ay 4-0 at the bottom of the third inning. So ball 2, the pitch was a bit low and outside, called ball by the umpire. Okay, nice inside pitch, swung at and missed by batter John Vargas of Philippines. Yan ho, on FB Live is the friendship games between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. Another deep hit to left center field. Wow, that's a long hit by John Vargas, scoring easily. Manaig to home. Nice deep left center outfield hit by John Vargas. Solid long hit by John Vargas, easily scoring Mark Manaig from third base for Team Philippines. Fifth run at the bottom of the third inning. So nagpakitang gilaso sa paluan ang ating Team Philippines ngayong bottom of the third inning. Back-to-back long hits by Manaig and Vargas, scoring 3 runs for Team Philippines. So pitcher from Singapore, Ryota Wong, high for ball 1. Yung atin hong mga manunood, mayroon pa hong mga galing sa Quirino Province in Aurora. Aba, magandang umaga ho sa inyo dyan. At salamat sa Diyos at natapos na lahat ang pangit na panahon. I'm sure sama-sama ho tayong bumabangon mula sa halos isang linggong dire-diretsyong pag-ulan last week. And what better way to do that but by hosting a friendly exhibition baseball match between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. So walk ho ang ating last batter, si Ferdy Liguayan. Kaya siya ho ay nakarating ng first base at tumawag ho ng timeout ang coach ng Team Singapore. Medyo kailangan lang ng konting pag-uusap at medyo sunod-sunod na hits ang Team Philippines. Nasundan pa ng isang base on ball. So I'm sure the coach is telling his boys now to just settle down a bit and just go for easy outs. Although of course that is said easier than done kasi talaga namang nagpapakita ng magandang paluan ang ating national team dito sa bottom of the third inning. 3 na ho ang na-score ng Team Philippines ngayong bottom of the third inning. So ang score ho ay 5-0 at meron ho tayong runners sa first and second base at wala pa pong out. So batting now for the Philippines is John Matanggihan, another mainstay from the Batangas City Little League, Tanawan City of Batangas Little League program of the Mercados. Yan, binabati ho natin sila Coach Chito, sila Coach Ramil, sila Coach Edwin, ang mga Bispo, ang mga Natanawan family dyan sa Tanawan City, Batangas. Ngayon ho, arguably the best breeder of baseball players in the country. One of the most effective Little League programs is the Batangas City, specifically the Batangas Province, Tanawan City Little League Baseball Program. So salamat ho at pugay ho sa inyong lahat ng programa dyan sa Batangas. Mga huwaran ho kayo na dapat parisan ng ating ibang mga regions. But I'm sure all your efforts will serve as inspiration to all the other regions, baseball regions in the country. We just had to take this opportunity as probably around 60% of our national players all hails from the Batangas province. Siyempre ho, ang PABA ay dire-diretsyong naglulunsad ng iba-ibang mga programa para makatuklas pa ng mas marami pang players na nagmumula sa iba't ibang region ng Pilipinas. No? Nasa mandate ho ng PABA ngayon, actually, ang utos ni PSC Chairman Pato Gregorio na pagpreparahan na maganda ang National Open Championships in 2026 na siya namang sinisimula ng gawin ng officials ng PABA. So we are taking this opportunity also to highlight the commitment of the PABA along with other NSA officials on the wishes of the PSC Chairman Pato Gregorio to launch National Open competitions in 2026. And this is to open up and democratize the selection of national members to all the different regions in the country. So isa hong magandang defensive play ang pinakita ng Philippines. Ground ball to second base and a routine grounder Shortstop covering second base for the putout. So first out pa lang ho ng Philippines. 2 outs na ho ngayon. At pumapalo sa Philippines ay si Nigel Paule. So another fly ball hit to center field. Tumapato ng konti ang palo for the third out ng Singapore team. So that was a good at-bat for Team Philippines.
End of third inning, the score Philippines 5, Singapore 0.
So after the bottom of the third inning, Philippines successfully scoring 3 runs. Magkakaroon ho ng substitution ang Philippine team. So Philippines is now using a new pitcher replacing Romeo Yasmin on the mound. And that has been a wonderful 3-inning job by Romeo Yasmin.
Nazim Oscar Iya.
Now
The new pitcher,
pitching.
Philippines, Junmar Jarao.
Okay, now pitching for Team Philippines is Junmar Diarao. Si Junmar naman ho ay isang player na nagmumula sa Negros Occidental, Cabangcalan City. Another long mainstay of the Philippine team, a left-handed pitcher, and he played in his college years for the National University Baseball Club. Veteran ho, member of previous Southeast Asian Games, BFA Asian Baseball Championships, and BFA East Asia Baseball Cup competitions. So muli ho, ang ating friendlies ay brought to you by PABA in coordination with Baseball Federation of Asia. And we'd like to take this opportunity to greet the officials of the Philippine Sports Commission led by its chairman, Mr. Patrick John Pato Gregorio, its executive director, Attorney Guillermo Iroy, na ngayon ho ay nakasubaybay sa atin over FB Live. We also like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, the officials of the UP College of Human Kinetics for graciously letting us use their beautiful baseball field here at the UPCHK. So ball 1, swung at, ball 2, and strike 1 count for batter number 11 of Team Singapore. So nasa top of the batting order ho ang Singapore, si Naim Bin. That's a solid hit, fly ball, but straight to left fielder of Team Philippines. Easy fly ball catch by our left fielder for the first out. 1 away. And next batter for Team Singapore is Oscar Tay. Jersey number 0. Again, we would like also to thank the coaches and all the varsity team members of the UP Maroons baseball team for providing us a nice support job in our hosting effort here for the PABA friendly exhibition matches between Singapore and Team Philippines. So ang maganda ho, yung pinalo, it's a line drive hit to the center field, and that's the first registered hit by Team Singapore by Oscar Tay. So nasa first base na ho si Oscar Tay. At pumapalo para sa Singapore ay jersey number 31, si Ian Yu. So first pitch by Jarao is called strike by the umpire. Nice pick-off move by Jarao. But Oscar Tay going back safely to first base before the tag dun sa pick-off play na yon. Unattempted steal, but batter swung at and foul to left field. So babalik ko ang runner sa first base kasi foul ball ang palo. That's a good hit and run play executed by Team Singapore. Ngunit babalik ang runner kasi foul ball ang palo. So 0 balls and strike 2 sa batter ng Singapore. And beautifully caught line drive hit by third baseman. So out ho ang runner sa first going to second on that double play attempt. Pero hindi na ho na iba to ng second baseman sa first base for the double play attempt. Pero napakaganda ho nung play ni Gerald Pareha. That would have been easily a hit, but a nice diving effort to catch that very, very hot ground ball hit to third base. And nice put out to second base. So batter runner reaches first base safely, but runner on first is out, forced out sa second base. So 1 out ho para sa Team Singapore. And a bunt play executed by Team Singapore, foul ball. Yan, nakikita ho natin, nagkakaroon na ng mga offensive plays ang Team Singapore because they were successfully now put some base runners on base. So another hit and run play, swung at but foul ball. So batting for Singapore is jersey number 7, and he is Odi Tay. Okay, a steal effort and a perfect throw by Philippine team catcher Manaig for a nice tag play by second baseman for the third out ng Team Philippines. Maganda ho at nagpapakitang gilas pati sa depensa ang Team Philippines. So hindi ho nakascore ang Singapore dahil sa napakagandang defense ng Philippines. So after 3.5 innings, lamang pa rin ho ang Team Philippines. Singapore successfully putting some runners on base, but Team Philippines, due to its wonderful defensive gems, held Team Singapore to a scoreless inning. So ngayon ho, after 3.5 innings, papalo muli ang Team Philippines at ang papalo ngayon para sa Team Philippines ay si jersey number 16. Once again, shout out ho sa lahat ng mga nakasubaybay sa atin sa PABA page, FB Live coverage ng friendlies between Team Philippines and Singapore. Tayo ho ay nasa bottom of the 4th inning na at lamang ho ang Philippines ng 5-0 laban sa Singapore. Singapore in its last at-bat was able to successfully put some runners on the base, but some defensive gems ang pinakita ng Team Philippines to prevent them from scoring. So 5-0 ho, bottom of the 4th inning. Okay, that's a nice dead center pitch by Ryota Wong, starting pitcher of Singapore. Okay, a nice comebacker hit by the batter Erwin Bosito of Team Philippines. So, akyat na naman ulit tayo sa batting order ng Team Philippines at palo na naman si Mercado from Batangas. So, Efril Mercado, or most commonly called Ian by his teammates in the national baseball team. A pickoff attempt to Erwin Bosito, called safe by the umpire on first base. Okay, swung at and miss. So we'd like to acknowledge also our working umpires this morning. We have Roland Chacor, our home plate umpire. We have umpire on first, Jovito Estanislao. Umpire at second base, Ricky Bernabe. And umpire on third base, Rodolfo Cruz. Salamat po sa inyong mga serbisyo, mga ginoong umpires. So that was an attempted double play by Team Singapore, grounder to first base. Sa luho ng covering shortstop, so out si Erwin Bosito from first going to second, pero yung batter runner ho natin, si Ian Mercado, ay safe sa first base. So that was a botched double play attempt by Singapore, but nonetheless getting the first out. So importante pa rin ho na naka-out sila doon because the closer the runner is to home plate, then the more chances of them producing a run, definitely. So ang runner ho ngayon ay nasa first base lang. Okay, that was a passed ball by Ryota Wong. So runner on first, Ian Mercado, advancing to second base on that passed ball. Once again, you are watching us on FB Live here at the beautiful UPCHK baseball field. Okay, pitch is a little low and inside, called ball by the umpire. So, ball 2 na ho sa ating batter. Okay, that's a nice ground ball hit going past the shortstop. And runner from second, Ian Mercado, trying to stretch all the way to home, and a nice, beautiful sliding play. Napakaganda ho nung hit sa shortstop ni Gerald Pareja. Scoring, of course, Ian Mercado all the way from second base to home. Beautiful base running shown by Ian Mercado. So ito ho, maganda hong mga natutunghayan ito ng ating mga batang baseball players. Nakikita ho natin yung offensive base running na kahit na ho ang hit ay sa infield lang, ang runner ho sa second ay all the way nakakarating papuntang home plate, no? So that is a good base running shown by Ian Mercado. So right now, hitting for Team Philippines is Ian De Vera. So score now is 6-0 in favor of Team Philippines at the bottom of the fourth inning. Okay, ball 2 count. Oh, and that was a very poor throw by the catcher. Runner on second, again trying to steal home. Oh, but caught in between. Oh, so that's an out. So yung base runner ho natin, gumawa ng sneaky play. Sinubukang ma-extend all the way to home plate, but a good throw from the center fielder of Singapore was made at na-trap ho in between third and home yung ating base runner from second. So still the count is 2 balls and we don't have any runners on base. Okay, that's a nice fly ball hit to the right fielder. Caught cleanly by the right fielder of Team Singapore for their third out. So after the bottom of the fourth inning, ang Philippines ho ay nakascore ng isa pang run. So ngayon ho ay 6-0 na after 4 completed innings ang ating score.
End of fourth inning, the score Philippines 6, Singapore 0. Now batting Odi, Ryoday, Andre.
Sino pa? Samuel for Manay. Okay na?
We have sub. Play catcher Samuel. Playing third, Torpedo.
Dala.
First batter for Team Singapore, jersey number 7. Strike 1. So that was a nice solid hit to the outfield. Maganda ho yung cover ng ating left fielder for a routine fly ball catch for Philippines first out. So pumapalo po ngayon para sa Singapore ay ang kanila ring pitcher si Ryota Wong. Yan. Tayo ho ay nasa FB Live at may mga pa-shoutout request para kay Denz Rivera, yung ating starting pitcher na si Romeo Hasmin. Marami hong sumusubaybay at nag-cheer para sa mga Philippine team members na mula sa Adamson University. So umuulan ho ng mga puso at approve sign ang mga nakasubaybay sa ating FB Live. So another beautiful pitch by Jarao, striking out batter number 23 of Singapore. Yan, watching on FB Live also are members of our UP Varsity Softball Team. So magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga UP Varsity Softball Team. Okay, pitch by Jarao is another high ball. Count now is ball 2. Yan ho, si Coach Chito Mercado. Nanunood ho at sumusubaybay sa atin sa FB Live. Pugay ho at greeting sa inyo, Coach Chito. Ito ho at namamayagpag ang inyong mga produkto mula sa Tanawan City, Batangas Little League Program. So congratulations ho at pugay sa lahat ng inyong effort dyan sa Batangas Little League Program. So that's a nice outside corner, swung at and straight to the right fielder of Team Philippines, registering the third out for Team Singapore. So a nice, quick defensive job. Good support for Jarao pitching for the Philippine team for a 1-2-3 effort.
Bottom fifth, batting Samuel Vargas Liguaya.
So papalo na naman ho ang Team Philippines ngayong bottom of the 5th inning. Ang first batter ho ay si Liguayan.
Dating po din si Samuel po. First batter. Yung bagong Samuel.
Samuel.
Samuel para kay Manay. Tapos si...
Okay, so nagkaroon ho ng substitution ang Team Philippines. So si Samuel po muna ang papalo ngayon para sa Team Philippines.
Meron pa isa. Si Gorpido para kay Mahira. Pareha.
And si Gorpido naman ho ay nag-substitute na para kay Pareha. Substitution para Okay, now hitting for the Philippines is Samuel, the substitute catcher, replacing Manaig. Samuel is from Antipolo and another product of the De La Salle University baseball team. Yan, may request po si Ma'am Elin, JD Elin on FB Live. Pa-shout out naman mula sa Kabangkalan City, Negros Occidental. Go, Papa Junmar. Aba, nag-acknowledge pa si Coach Chito. Thank you daw kay Mr. Diaz. Boss, kamusta po kayo at mabuhay kayo lagi-lagi. So first batter for Team Philippines is Samuel. Okay, first pitch called strike by the umpire. Low and inside. So si Tuting, kung tawagin ng kanyang mga teammates, ay nagmula sa Antipolo Rizal at lumaro ho siya sa De La Salle University baseball team. Coached by Coach Joseph Orellana, of course, and Coach Saki Bacarizas. So tignan ho natin ang palo ni Tuting ngayon. And that's a completely misread. Nice breaking ball by pitcher Ryota Wang. Na strikeout ho si Tuting. Maganda ho yung kurba at bumali right before it reached home plate. And that completely baffled Tuting for him not to swing at all. So strike one ho ay 1 out ho para sa Team Singapore. Ngunit ang score na po natin ay 6-0 in favor, of course, of Team Philippines. Dito ho sa bottom of the 5th inning. Yan ho, Reinhard Estipilar and Cliff Ballesteros. Both players of the UAAP before, now watching us on FB Live. Good morning sa inyo at salamat sa pagsubaybay sa ating friendlies exhibition matches between Singapore and Philippine baseball teams. Okay, that's a fly ball but going in the foul territory. So good attempt by first baseman. Just called a strike for a foul ball hit. So palo pa rin ho. Si John Vargas para sa Team Philippines. Uy, shout out si Coach Ronnie Pagkaliwagan of our UP softball team. Sumusubaybay rin ho at sumusuporta sa ating friendlies competition between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. Gandang araw po sa inyo dyan, Coach Ronnie. So another pop-up hit straight to the first baseman and easy fly ball catch by first baseman of Team Singapore for the second out of Team Philippines. So once again, we are playing at the beautiful University of the Philippines College of Human Kinetics baseball field. And we take this opportunity, of course, to thank the Dean of UPCHK, Dr. Molly Malyari, for allowing us to use their beautiful baseball field. Thank you, Dean Molly. Ball 1 para ho sa ating batter for Philippines. Okay, Ferdy Liguayan ang pumapalo ho para sa atin. Siya ho ang ating first baseman. Okay, that's ball soaring high. Ball 3 for batter Liguayan of Team Philippines. Okay, ball is low and inside for ball number 4. So based on ball ho, si Ferdy Liguayan, punta ho siya sa first base. At palo ho ngayon ay si John Matanggihan, our second baseman for Team Philippines. Also watching us now on FB Live is one of the resident sports psychologists of PSC SMAP, Panji Legaspi. Hello, Ma'am Panji. Good morning. Oh, that's a nice hit over the center fielder and left fielder. Long hit by batter. Okay. And that was a poor running by jersey number 56. Not sliding to home plate. So natag out to yung ating runner to home plate. Si Ferdy Liguayan opting
End
not
of
to
the
slide.
inning, Philippines still up 5-6-0.
Okay, so Singapore showing us their defensive gem. Auto, yung ating lead runner, si Liguayan
No batting.
for the third out.
Outreach, Danis Kohei.
Okay, sayang kasi kung nag-slide si Ferdy Liguayan doon, mukhang safe po siya, makakarating. But that was really a perfect throw by the outfielder of Singapore to straight to home plate. Okay, another substitution reported by Coach Lando Bidara of the Philippines. We now have a new player
Jeronimo.
replacing Agon de Vera, Prince or Harry Geronimo, coming from Bulacan and the mainstay from the UST baseball field. So si Harry ay one of our rookie players in our national baseball team. Now being able to have some opportunity to play in some nice international baseball friendlies.
Substitution for Team Philippines, new shortstop, Harry Geronimo.
Of course, umpire Jojo Mederaso. Magandang umaga po sa inyo at mabuhay kayo. Another shout-out request all the way from Valencia City in Bukidnon. Jerwin Berturan. Maayong aga sa inyo dyan sa Bukidnon. Nice breaking ball pitch by Jarao. So batting for Team Singapore is jersey number 3, Danis Mohamad. Okay, once again, we'd like to thank the officials of Baseball Federation of Asia for endorsing these friendly matches between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. Oh, clipping and nipping the outside corner of the strike zone. Beautiful pitch by Jarao for out number 1 para ho sa Team Philippines.
Kay Hasmin, 4. Kay dalawa.
Okay, talaga hong nagpapakitang gilas ang ating pitcher. Yun hong huling strikeout ay ang pang-anim na strikeout ng Team Philippines. Okay, that's a good third base grounder hit. And nice attempt by the third baseman, but a poor throw to first base. So batter runner successfully reaching second base. Sayang maganda na yung pag-block ng third baseman sa bola, but because there was a little bubble in his fielding, he forced the throw to first base and it was a little low. And that was enough to make a poor throw to first, advancing the batter runner of Singapore to second base. So paluho ngayon si Kohei Wong ng Singapore, their number 9 on the batting order. So foul ball, first pitch. Yan, meron pa ho tayong mga manonood mula sa Tuburan Baseball Team. Si Salvador Gitgit, greetings ho sa inyo. At salamat sa pagsubaybay sa PABA FB live coverage of the friendlies between Singapore and Philippine national baseball teams. We are now at the top of the 6th inning. At lamang ho ang Philippines 6-0. Ito hong ating natutunghayan na laro ay first of 3 friendlies between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. After nitong first match, magkakaroon ho ng lunch break at magre-resume ho ang ating FB broadcast live mamayang hapon for the second game between Singapore and Philippines. Okay, fly ball hit to center field. Caught cleanly by our center fielder. So balik ko ang batter runner to second base. So 1 out to and runner on second for Singapore. Batting now is jersey number 11. Their number 1 hitter is Naim Bin. Two outs na ho at runner on second para sa Singapore. Okay, that was a good pick-off attempt at second base. Pero nakabalik ko ang runner ng Singapore safely, so safe. So maganda ho yung pinakitang pick-off move ni pitcher Jarao doon sa play na iyon. Ngunit nakabalik safely ang runner ng Singapore. Okay, good pitch, swung at, and foul ball. Pitching his third strikeout for Team Philippines. So also watching us on FB Live is the Vice President of the Philippine Amateur Baseball Association, Mr. Manny De Castro. VP Manny, magandang umaga ho at mabuhay kayo. I was actually informed by our Secretary General that both the Secretary General and the VP for PABA was at the office of the new PABA office in Sheraton Hotel up to almost midnight last night, doing a lot of catch-up work and planning for the Philippine Amateur Baseball Association initiatives for the coming 2026. Mabuhay ho at pugay, Secgen Mike and VP Manny, sa lahat ng inyong mga efforts para ho talaga namang mapalaganap pa, mapasikat at maparami ang mga naglalaro ng baseball sa ating buong bayang Pilipinas. So meron na tayong couple of substitutions by the Singapore head coach. Bagong pitcher para sa Singapore. At diretso ho sa bakod ang kanyang first warm-up pitch. So over on FB Live, we like to acknowledge the different viewers and listeners from all over the country. May mga sinusubaybay mula sa Mindanao, mula sa Visayas, at sa Luzon region. So thank you ho. At ngayon ho ay unang laro pa lamang ng ating 3-game friendlies and exhibition match between Team Singapore and Team Philippines baseball teams. Alam niyo ho, hindi ninyo nakikita, no? Pero parte ng mga manunood natin ngayon ay ang pa-sulyap-sulyap na mga manlalaro ng ating U15 National Baseball Team. Currently, sila ho ay nag-e-ensayo rin ngayon dito sa batting facility ng UP-CHK at sila ho ay naghahanda rin sa kanilang darating na tournament ngayong Agosto sa Taiwan. Lalaro ho sila sa Kaohsiung for the U15 BFA Baseball Championships. At ang mamumuno ho ng ating U15 Philippine Team Delegation ay walang iba kundi ang ating masipag na Vice President na si Manny De Castro. So good luck ho sa inyong efforts, VP Manny, at sa ating U15 baseball team. So kitang-kita ho natin ang efforts ng bagong pamunuan ng PABA doon sa dire-diretsong grassroots development program. Para ho ang ating national team ay diretsong maraming possible players in the future ay ipinagbubuti ho ng ating pamunuan ng PABA na simula ho sa ages 11 to 12, 13 to 14 ay mayroon na ho tayong quality players na naglalaro ng mataas na level of competition ng baseball, no? So we wish them success in their coming U15 BFA Asian Championships. So it was a ball 4 for the new pitcher of the Singapore national team. a right-handed pitcher. So, safe po, nakarating si Nigel Paule sa first base. Papalo ho si Erwin Bosito para sa Team Philippines dito ho sa bottom of the 6th inning. Okay, so that's a nice strike pitch by the pitcher of Singapore. Okay, that's a soaring high pitch for a ball. So ang bagong pitcher ng Team Singapore,
Jaden Lo.
I-apply na kayo si Tani Rule.
I see Jaden Lon, number 48. So again, shout out greetings for the beautiful people in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Ma'am Mercy Timban, magandang umaga po sa inyo dyan sa Dasma, Cavite. Siyempre ho, lugar yan ng ating pinagpipitagang Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Sec. Gov. John Vic Cremulya. Magandang umaga rin ho sa inyo dyan, Sec. Cremulya, sa pamunuan ng DILG. Mabuhay po lahat kayo. Okay, the pitch is low and inside. Ball 4 for the new pitcher, Lon of Singapore. So we now have runners on first and second base. Parehong walk ang mga batter runner natin. So runner on first and second with no outs. Batting once again for the Philippines is number 1 hitter, Ian Mercado from Tanawan City, Batangas. Okay, that's a nice in-between hit sa left field at center field. Good base running by our base runner, number 33, Nigel Paule, scoring safely from second to home on a line drive hit by Ian Mercado. So wala pa pong out, runner on first and second, and score now is 7-0. That's a beautiful line drive hit by Ian Mercado to the left field area. So, ito na ho, yung atin hong bagong player na si Gorpila ang pumapalo ho ngayon para sa Team Philippines. Gorpido ho or Gio is one of our rookies in the national team. Galing ho siya sa NU Baseball Club and he hails all the way from Northern Samar. So magandang tanghali ho sa inyo dyan, sa lahat ng mga ating kawaray sa Northern Samar. Ayan, wala hong iba kung hindi si Ate Delia Acuna, proud Samarenya. Okay, another issued ball. Count now is ball 2, strike 1 for pitcher Lon of Singapore. Ball 2 and strike 1 for Gio Gorpido. Runners on first and second for Team Philippines. So that's a fly ball hit to the center field. Caught by center fielder. Runner on second. Tried to advance to third. That's good base running. So nagtaga po yung runner on second for that long fly. And he was able to successfully advance to third base. Nice base running effort by our baseman. By our base runners on second. So yan o, magandang napapanood ito ng ating mga batang manlalaro at nakikita natin na hindi nasasayang ang opportunity ng ating mga runners na nasa base. No? Okay, that's a good steal attempt by first baseman. Oh, and dahil doon, nagforsong bumato ang catcher, issuing a wild throw. And so runner number 16 scores cleanly for Team Philippines, and Ian Mercado all the way from first successfully ends up at third base because of that steal to second base. So again, these are very, very beautiful learning experiences for our young baseball players. as we see how offensive base running actually forces the defensive team to make some errors. And another nice line drive hit by batter number 44 of the Philippines, scoring Ian Mercado to home plate. So napakaganda ho nung palo ng ating player, jersey number 44. And that is Samuel from Rizal, Jeronimo. Okay, si Jeronimo pala, yung pumalo na yon. Beautiful hit. Line drive to third base. Ngayon ay si Tuting na ang pumapalo. Tuting Samuel. Okay, that's a good pitch by pitcher Lon of Singapore. Swung at and missed by Tuting Samuel. Okay, another viewer and listener from the beautiful province of San Jose, Rojas, watching us on FB Live. Greetings to you, Jesseline Camarote. Salamat sa panonood. And we thank once again the efforts of PABA officials to bring to you live on FB the coverage between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. And a bunt attempt, pero actually ball 4 na ho pala yun. No? So walk naman yung runner talaga papuntang first base. And that now allowed runner on first to go to second. And batter runner Samuel to reach first base safely. So nagkaroon ho ng another substitution ang Singapore. Ang pitcher ho ngayon ng Singapore ay player number 17. So a couple of former pitchers for the new pitcher for Singapore team. So hindi pa ho tapos pumalo ang Philippine team sa bottom of the 6th inning. At ang score na ho nating naitala ay 9 runs. So we are now bottom of the 6th inning and the score is 9-0 in favor of Team Philippines. Team Philippines really showing nice hitting prowess and spread out all over the batters 1 to 9, no? So makikita natin na maganda ho ang hitting skills ng ating Team Philippines. Okay, another greetings from Maria Aurora and from the team baseball ng Ascot, Aurora Province. Yan, Leandro Gonzalez and Wilfred De Leon. Magandang tanghali ho sa inyo dyan sa Aurora. Batting for Team Philippines is John Vargas with runners on first and second. Another scoring opportunity for Team Philippines in this inning. Okay, high. Called ball by the umpire. Ball 2, no strikes. Para kay batter number 13 ng Philippines, John Vargas. Kano, kung natatandaan ninyo, yung dating sikat na player ng Minnesota Twins, si Kirby Puckett, hubog na hubugo ni John Vargas. Ang pumupukulo ngayon para sa Singapore ay Gideon. Gideon, jersey 17 for Team Singapore. Another walk issued by the new pitcher. So loading the bases for Team Philippines. wala pa pong out.
Meron sir isa.
Meron na ho tayong isang out sa bottom of the 6th inning. Pero the bases are loaded for Team Philippines. At palo ho sa Team Philippines ngayon ay jersey number 56, Ferdy Liguayan. Okay, another ball. Tayo ho ay nasa bottom of the 6th inning pa lamang ng ating first game of the 3-game friendlies between Singapore. Oh, that's a nice deep right field hit all the way to the fence. Wow. I'm sure if this was played in Rizal Memorial, that would already have been a outside the park home run. Napakalayo ho ng palo ni Ferdy Liguayan. Lumagpak ko yung palo doon sa upper portion ng bakod sa right field. And scoring the runners on first, second, and third para sa Team Philippines. So 12-0 na ho. Pagkatapos nung napaka-umaatikabong palo ni Ferdy Liguayan all the way sa bakod ng right field. And you know, our right field fence is all the way at 343 feet. And the fence is probably 40 foot high, no? So clearly that was around 350 feet, and that's a long hit by our hitter. As mentioned, the dimensions here at UP Baseball Field is significantly farther compared to Rizal Memorial Ballpark. So yun hong palong yun, kung tayo ay nasa Rizal Memorial Ballpark, that's already an outside the ballpark home run. Napakagandang hit by Ferdy Liguayan. So now hitting for the Philippines, John Matanggihan, our second baseman, once again from Tanawan, Batangas. Ayun ho, nanonood rin on FB Live. Yun hong gwapong-gwapong anak ni Mr. Diaz, si Itos Diaz. Greetings, Itos, on FB Live. And thank you for supporting our Philippine national men's baseball team. Sabi ho ni Boss Jerry Manekleng from the Philippine Sports Commission, nice game daw. Maganda ang nilalaro ng mga boys. Boss Jerry, salamat at kasama ka ho sa successes ng ating men's baseball team. Dahil isa ka ho sa mga nag-aalaga sa kanila tuwing sila ay nag-i-ensayo dyan sa Rizal Memorial Baseball Field. Magandang umaga ho sa inyo, Boss Jerry and Pugay, lagi-lagi. So that's another ball issued by the Singapore pitcher. Ball 4. Base on ball para kay John Matanggihan. So palo ho ngayon, balik, jersey number 33, Nigel Paule of the Philippine team. So it really is a wonderful hitting job by the Philippines coming from the all 9 batters of the lineup. So a hot grounder to third base, fielded, and very good double play by Team Singapore. So, auto sa third base, yung galing sa second. This is going to be an abbreviated game if at this inning ay hindi ho nakascore ng 2 or more ang Singapore national team. 12-0 na ho ang score, lamang ang Philippines. We are now at the top of the 7th inning. Okay, first pitch by Kobe Torres is a ball. Okay, umpire reminding the Singapore national team to have a base coach at first base. So now catching for team. Ball 2, strike 2 for Kobe Torres. So he now sets. And a beautiful fastball pitch for another strikeout by Team Philippines. Ang ganda ho nung pinukol ni Kobe Torres kay Oscar Tay of Singapore para sa kanilang first out. Batting now for Singapore is Ian Yu. Okay, catching the inside corner of the strike zone, called strike by the umpire. just a bit high and inside. Okay, so that's a fly ball to the left fielder. Okay, left fielder successfully catching it for a routine fly ball catch. Second out for Team Singapore. Once again, we are on Paba FB Live. And you are witnessing the friendlies between Team Singapore and Team Philippines. Lamang ho tayo ng very comfortably 12-0 ngayong top of the 7th inning. So it is going to be an abbreviated game if Team Philippines would not allow any runs for Singapore in this at-bat. Okay, another line drive straight to center field for the second out. So napakaganda ng salo, and that is already the third out, and that constitutes a abbreviated won ball game by Team Philippines over Singapore. Very good hitting by our Team Philippines, and awesome pitching job by the three pitchers of Team Philippines, starting from Romeo Asmin, reliever Jarao, and closer Kobe Torres. So congratulations Team Philippines sa lahat ho ng nanonood sa atin on FB Live. First game pa lamang po ito. Tayo ho ay magkakaroon ng kaunting lunch break, at pagkatapos ho ng lunch break, kaunting pahinga, at maglalaro ho tayo for the second game at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So again, that 2 o'clock game will be covered live on FB through the Paba FB page. So thank you once again to all the listeners and watchers. See you all later. This has been your commentator and analyst, Coach Kiko Diaz from UP. And please watch the second game of our friendlies between Philippines and Singapore at 2